What if meron tayong time machine at binalik tayo 20 to 30 years ago at binigyan din tayo ng pagkakataon makapag-invest sa mga pinakamalalaking kumpanya sa bansa kagaya ng SM, Jollibee, BDO at Globe. Sigurado kahit sino mag-i-invest. Alam naman nating lahat na maganda ang mga kumpanya na to at gusto nating makapag-invest sa mga companies na to kung magkakaroon tayo ng pagkakataon. Fast forward today, these brands and companies are the biggest names. Hindi lang sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay, pati na rin sa stock market. Kung sana lang nakapag-invest tayo dito 20 to 30 years ago, di ba ang yaman na natin? Pero the good news is, it's not too late. Paano kung merong uling opportunity ngayon na makapag-invest sa mga susunod na big shots sa ating Philippine economy at stock market? What if meron kang opportunity na makasali sa kanilang growth story to invest in the Philippines' next biggest winners for as low as 1,000 pesos only? This opportunity is called Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. If you want to know more about this, please watch the video. Hello mga ka-RFF, this is Morgan De Guzman from Ramper Financials. Today we will be discussing one of our recommended and top-performing mutual funds, the Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund, and how it can help you grow your money to the fullest and help you achieve your financial goals. Bago tayo magsimula sa pagdidiscuss ng Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund, quick recap muna tayo on what a mutual fund is and how it works. Maaaring maraming beses nyo na itong narinig sa amin, pero maganda pa rin na meron tayong refresher para na rin sa ating mga bagong viewers. Ang mutual fund ay isang uri ng investment vehicle na iniipon ng pera mula sa maraming investors upang mag-invest sa iba't ibang securities kagaya ng stocks, bonds at iba pa. Ang fund manager ang nagde-decide kung saan gagamitin ang mga naiipon na pera para makabuo ng portfolio na merong optimal na return at risk. Perfect investment ito sa mga nagsisimula pa lang, sa mga beginner pa lang sa investing because of these benefits. Diversification. Ang pag-ipon o pag-pool ng pera mula sa maraming investors ay nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mutual fund na mag-diversify sa iba't ibang mga securities at stocks, which reduces the overall risk ng investment portfolio. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang concentrated sa isang stock or company ang pera mo at less prone ka sa mga investing mistakes due to emotional trading while still enjoying investment growth. Professional fund management. Ang mutual fund ay may mga professional na investment managers na nagde-decide kung saan gagamitin ang pera upang makabuo ng optimal na portfolio. Di mo na kailangang bantayan ang stock market dahil ang fund manager na ang bahala dito. Isipin mo sila ang piloto o driver para makarating tayo sa ating mga financial goals kapalit ang small fare o pamasahe. Kumbaga, nakikisakay tayo sa galing ng fund managers, leveraging on their years of experience in exchange for a small fee. Ang gagawin mo na lang bilang investors ay mag-invest regularly. Hindi ka na mahahassle magbasa ng charts, magabang ng mga balita at magbantay sa nangyayari sa stock market, which can be very confusing lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang. Affordability and convenience. Sa halagang 1,000 pesos, makakasali ka na sa earnings potential ng stock market. Sobrang mura and accessible, hindi po ba? Mamaya I'll share din kung paano tayo makakapag-invest sa fund na ito step by step, kaya watch till the end of the video. Ngayon, ano nga ba si Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund at bakit isa ito sa aming mga recommended funds? Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund is a high-growth equity mutual fund. The fund is invested primarily in small to medium capital stocks with a focus on companies with strong growth potentials which are not included in the Philippine Stock Exchange Index or the PSCI. This fund is quite unique. Hindi lang siya basta-basta equity fund. This fund is actively managed. Ibig sabihin, may mga professional fund managers na nakatutok at pumipili ng stocks para ma-maximize ang returns. Hindi yung usual na mini-mirror o kinokopya lamang ang index, lalo na sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange, which can be debatedly said as a stock picker's market. Kung hindi nyo po natatanong, alam mo ba kung anong mutual fund ang may pinakamataas na performance sa Pilipinas noong nakaraang taon, 2024? Walang iba kundi Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Very impressively, it performed by 23.26% last year. This is net of fees and taxes already. Again, net of fees and taxes already na yan. At ang isa pang nakakagulat dito, siguro yung mga car-FF namin na talagang nakabantay sa news, alam ito. Hindi naman talaga masyadong nag-perform ang Philippine market last year because of the uncertainties with the wars, the geopolitical tensions, uncertainties both sa local and global level and all. In fact, the Philippine stock market only increased by 1.22% last year. Imagine, this actively managed fund by Atram, it performed by 23.26% last year. Sobrang layo, hindi po ba? And to share, nakatanggap din ng fund na to ng maraming awards during the 16th Annual Awards of the Philippine Investment Funds Association or PIFA last year. These awards are the following. Unang-una, first place, 3-year, 5-year, and 10-year returns. Equity fund category, peso denominated. Second place din sila sa 1-year return in equity fund category and peso denominated as well. Pero bakit nga ba ganito kataas ang performance ng fund na ito? Saan ba naka-invest si Atram Alpha? Ang focus ng fund na ito ay mga small to medium capital stocks or also known as the alpha stocks or growth stocks. Mga kumpanyang hindi pa kasing laki ng Jollibee or Ayala. Pero mas mabilis lumago at may potential na maging future blue chip stocks. In technical terms, different types of stocks have different market capitalization requirements. Yung mga large cap stocks po natin, ang requirement sa kanila ay above 100 billion na market capitalization. Dito kasali ang mga big names like BPI, Ayala, Globe, San Miguel at SM. Meron din tayong mid-cap stocks. Ang requirement naman sa kanila na market cap ay between 10 billion to 100 billion pesos. Dito naman naka-invest si Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Mga hindi pa ganun kalaking stocks kung titignan natin sa market capitalization. Pero meron pa silang room for growth and expansion. At masasabi nating may footing and established na rin ang mga companies na ito. Kasali dito ang Converge, Robinsons Land, Ginebra at Cebu Pacific. In its history, ang mga included companies sa fund na ito eventually graduates at nagiging component din ng PSEI, which are the top 30 public companies sa bansa. Pag nasasama ang isang stock sa PSEI, ang tendency ay lalo pa itong aakyat o lalo pang tataas ang presyo nito. Ilan sa mga ito ay ang Union Bank, A-REIT, China Bank at marami pang iba. And the reason is that when a stock becomes a part of the local index, kailangang bilhin ito ng mga fund managers, both here and foreign fund managers, to maintain the mirroring of their own funds with respect to the index. For example, last 2024, naka-invest ang Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund sa A-REIT. Ang A-REIT ay subsidiary ng Ayala Land. And just recently, A-REIT was included sa top 30 stocks ng Philippine Stock Exchange. With this move, umakyat ang stock price ng A-REIT from 37 pesos late December last year up to 42 pesos in January the following month. Isa pang halimbawa ang China Banking Corporation. From around 40 pesos in August 2024, it has reached as high as 93 pesos per stock noong end January 2025 dahil sa pagkakasali nito sa PSEI. China Bank was also a top holding of Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Another growth stock na inaabangan kung maisasama ba sa PSEI soon, that is Atram Alpha is also invested in. Walang iba kundi ang DigiPlus Interactive Corp. From around 8 pesos last January 2024, fast forward to 1 year today, ang presyo ng isang DigiPlus stock is more than 30 pesos. Grabe, di ba? Ang taas na. Masasabi talaga natin na may track record na talaga si Atram Alpha to identify and invest in the next big winners sa Philippine stock market. At makapag-invest ka din sa next big winners na ito for as low as 1,000 pesos only. Personally, naka-invest ako sa fund na to. Para na to sa retirement fund ko. I really like the fund's objective and strategy. It's quite unique and it matches my profile and preferences. Especially, aggressive ako at long-term investor. At malayo pa naman bago ako mag-retire. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin kung sino ang fund manager behind this fund. Si Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund is managed by ATR Asset Management or Atram. Atram is the leading asset and wealth manager in the Philippines. It's also one of the best fund manager, especially in equities or stocks category. They have earned themselves multiple industry awards over the years. In 2024, some of their best accolades are Best Asset Management Company by Cosmopolitan The Daily, Best Investment Solutions Provider by the Brands and Business Magazine, and Best Local Fund House by the Asian Investor at marami pang iba. Ngayon naman, paano ba tayo makakapag-start mag-invest sa Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund? Paano ba tayo makakasali dito? If you want to invest quickly and easily, you can start opening an account through our online platform, Ramper Online. Simply click the link below or visit the link in your screen to register. You can create an account within 5 to 10 minutes only. All you need is one valid ID and an active bank account to start. After ma-verify ang Ramper online account mo, you can start investing with your 1,000 pesos. Just select Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund in your dashboard, read the fund information and disclosures, at kapag decided ka na to invest, you can indicate your desired investment amount. Select your preferred mode of payment like GCash, Union Bank, or InstaPay transfer. Upload the screenshot of proof of payment for validation. And once validated, you will receive a confirmation email informing your investment within 2 to 3 banking days at makikita mo na din sa Ramper Online dashboard ang performance at paglago ng investment mo. Or if you want a personalized investment approach at may makausap na licensed professionals to really know your investment options, you can reach out to us at info@ramper.com and a Ramper representative will get in touch with you personally. Siyempre, kamay dito sa Ramper Financials, ang gusto namin ay ma-match ang mga investors sa mga investment instruments na talagang babagay sa kanilang financial goals, risk appetite, at time horizon. Para kanino ba si Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund if you'll ask me? This fund is for you if you want to pursue a growth strategy and you have a medium to long-term investment time horizon. You want to take a higher than normal risk when it comes to investing. And this fund is for you also if you have no immediate need for your investments and you are willing to invest for the long term. But a word of caution lang din mga ka-RFF, tandaan natin, high growth also brings a greater level of risk. Since hindi pa ganong kalaki ang mga companies na kasama sa fund na to, mas prone sila sa ups and downs ng stock market. Kaya masasabi rin natin na volatile ang share price ni Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Importante po na intindihan din natin yung risk involved in this investment. That's why we recommend na mag-invest sa fund na ito with combination sa mga more stable investments like bond funds or balance funds, or with a more stable large cap stock fund para ma-minimize ang overall portfolio risk while still enjoying the growth potential ng investments mo. The recommended time horizon or length of stay in this fund is 5 years or more. Talagang long term, kaya po paulit-ulit kong sinasabi. Dahil isa nga itong equity fund at naka-invest ito sa mga stocks ng companies. It can be volatile in the short term, kaya we strongly recommend to stay in the long run. The management fee for this fund is 2.10% per annum, and this is applied sa buong fund, hindi lang sa specific investment mo. The returns and performance na makikita mo sa Ramper online dashboard and in the daily price reports are already net of fees and taxes. Remember na tax-exempt din ang mutual fund proceeds or gains. The holding period of this fund is 90 days after you invested with an early redemption fee of 1.12%, but this will be waived if you redeem past the holding period, which is 90 days. Remember, mutual fund returns and performance are not guaranteed. Kaya mahalaga pa rin ang tamang investment planning at risk assessment para na din sa comfort level mo bilang isang investor. We also highly recommend na basahin ang official fund prospectus at monthly fund fact sheet ng Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund. Lahat po yan ay available sa Ramper online platform at sa aming website. Ngayon, kung tatanungin nyo ako, ano ba ang magandang diskarte kapag mag-i-invest tayo sa Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund? Wala na pong tatalo sa regular, consistent at disciplined na pag-i-invest. With this strategy that we call the peso cost averaging method, kahit maliit lang, basta tuloy-tuloy at regular. So ang peso cost averaging po ay isang investment strategy kung saan ang investor ay regular na nag-i-invest sa isang investment instrument katulad ng Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund with a fixed amount at regular intervals. For example, it could be 5,000 pesos every month, or it could be 3,000 pesos every cut-off like 15th or 30th of the month. Ang paggamit ng peso cost averaging ay makakatulong sa mga investors sa mga sumusunod na paraan. Nalilimitahan ang market timing risk. Dahil regular ka na nag-i-invest, hindi ka na masyado maapektuhan ng market volatilities. Hindi ka na rin maaaring magkamali sa pagpili ng tamang panahon ng pag-i-invest. Remember, it is time in the market, not timing the market. Nalilimitahan ang emotional investing. Dahil hindi ka na nag-i-invest sa isang malaking halaga sa isang solong araw or yung tinatawag natin na lump sum investing. Hindi ka na maaaring magkamali sa pag-i-invest sa panahon man ng panic o euphoria sa market. Makikita mo pa nga na buying opportunities ang pagbaba ng market dahil makakabili ka ng shares in discount. Nabibuild din ang iyong investing discipline. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi mo na kailangan pumili ng tamang panahon para mag-invest. Dahil nakaset na yan, automatic na, may schedule ka na sa pag-i-invest regardless of the price, the situation, and all. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala kung tataas o bababa ang market. Tuloy-tuloy lang talaga ang pag-i-invest mo. Kaya nakakasabay ka sa anumang galaw ng presyo ng merkado. In general, ang peso cost averaging ay isang simple at epektibong strategy para sa mga investors na handa nang mag-invest sa mahabang panahon. One way to visualize this is to simulate your investments using our investment projection calculator. We put the link in the description box below so you can try it out. This tool can help you visualize kung paano mapapalaki ang iyong investment if you invest regularly. Pwede nyo po diyang iset kung magkano ang initial at additional investments nyo at kung gaano ka-regular kayo mag-i-invest at makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki ang i-grow ng investments nyo over time. Once again, if you are interested in investing in this fund, you can sign up and invest through Ramper Online, or you can also email us at info@ramper.com and we will assist you step by step on how to invest and have an Atram Alpha Opportunity Fund mutual fund account. Maraming salamat po ulit sa aming mga subscribers at kung ikaw ay bago dito, please be part of our growing RFF community by subscribing in our channel. With this mga ka-RFF, this is Morgan De Guzman once again. Maraming salamat po, God bless at kita-kita po tayo ulit sa aming mga susunod na video.